Welcome to Module 3.9, where we'll explore survey research methods in healthcare. Surveys are one of the most widely used approaches for collecting data from large populations. In this module, we'll examine the fundamentals of survey design, the process of developing effective surveys, and various methods of survey administration. Understanding these elements will help you design and implement surveys that yield valid and reliable data for healthcare research. Survey research is characterized by structured data collection using standardized questions to gather self-reported information from respondents. This approach allows researchers to collect consistent data from large numbers of participants efficiently. Surveys can be administered through various methods, each with different strengths and limitations. Sampling considerations are critical in survey design. How participants are selected directly affects the generalizability of findings. While surveys rely on self-reported information, which may introduce certain biases, careful design can minimize these limitations. The strength of survey research lies in its ability to capture perceptions, experiences, and behaviors across diverse populations, making it an essential tool in healthcare research. Developing an effective survey involves several critical steps. The process begins with clearly defining the constructs you intend to measure, ensuring conceptual clarity before generating questions. Item generation involves creating or adapting questions that accurately capture these constructs, followed by selecting the most appropriate items for inclusion. Decisions about response formats, such as Likert scales, multiple choice, or open-ended questions, significantly impact the type and quality of data collected. Pretesting and piloting the survey with small samples helps identify problems with clarity, flow, or response patterns. Based on pilot results, the survey undergoes refinement and finalization before full-scale implementation. This systematic development process helps ensure that the final instrument reliably measures what it intends to measure. Surveys can be administered through various methods, each with distinct advantages. In-person interviews allow for building rapport and clarifying questions but are resource-intensive. Telephone surveys balance personal interaction with greater efficiency, though declining response rates present challenges. Mail surveys reach geographically dispersed populations with minimal technology requirements, but typically have lower response rates. Online surveys offer cost-effectiveness and automated data collection, but may introduce sampling biases related to internet access. Increasingly, researchers employ mixed-mode approaches, combining multiple methods to maximize response rates and representativeness. The choice of administration method should align with the target population's characteristics, research questions, and available resources to ensure valid and reliable data collection.